Hey, what's up, man? It's me, Dale Finley, aka Drinking with Dirty Dan, man. We got another video. Follow the page, turn post notifications on, like, comment, all that good stuff. Shaking, no, my bad. Underscore, shaking, not slurred. You know what it is, man. We got a new cameraman today, my dog J Mac.
Good with y'all, man.
You already know how we coming, man. We out here. Don't forget, you know what I'm saying, send me requests with your favorite alcohols, whatever you want to see. I'm gonna make it happen. So this right here is a request. Somebody wants to see a liquid marijuana. Shout out to BMGII, aka my trade. So today we got the ice in it and all of these alcohols. And we just gonna go a little bit step by step. You know what I'm saying? So we gonna start off. So this one is pretty simple. It's 40 everything. So we gonna start off with the 40 Melon Liquor. Melon Liqueur. Boom, 40. Drop it in there. Then we're gonna do 40 spiced rum. So I got Bacardi, but you can get any spiced rum, whichever one you're feeling. Just make sure it's spiced rum. Drop that in there. We got the coconut rum. I got Malibu. It's my go-to, you know. Drop that in there. We got the blue curacao, staple of any crib. 40 of that. That's for the color and for the taste. I guess for the drink. Then we got the 40 lemon juice, straight from Walmart, great value. If you like saving money, drop that in there. Then we got 40 pineapple juice, not from concentrate. Don't know what that means yet. I'm gonna look it up after this video though. Drop that in there. And then the last ingredient, we got the 40 simple syrup. This is basically sugar water, but it makes it taste better. Basically. And this makes about 2 to 4 cups of alcoholic beverages. You drop that on there, pop this on there, give it a little hit, give it a little shake. Then we go ahead and pour it up. So we got boom, 1 shot, 2 shots. So we got color. So we get a little color. Look at that. Close up. Boom, 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 boom. Twins. We're gonna finish it off with 2 cherries because you put cherries in anything and it makes it look better. I don't know. Moschino. And for the taste test.
Man, let's get it.
Give them an honest review right on camera.